Hi there, students. There is no ing. So, for example, there is no arguing with my wife. She is always right. Yeah, she's made up her mind and there's nothing I can do to change her mind. There's no persuading her. Here I'm saying it's impossible to do. There's no understanding how children can eat so much chocolate. There's no going back from this situation. It's saying that returning from this situation, going back to a previous state, is impossible. You've burned your boats and now there's no going back. Okay? There's no returning from this situation. Yeah, you've burned your bridges behind you, or you've burned your boats and there is no going back. Yeah, you passed the point of no return. So there is no arguing about this. It's not something that would be that is possible to do. There's no knowing what's going to happen until we learn the outcome. So, for example, in an election, before the votes are counted, there's no knowing who's going to win. Or maybe they start with an exit poll and that starts to change it. So you're saying that something is impossible. There's no way to do it. There's no arguing with her. There's no explaining to my kids because they just don't listen. There's no showing her how to do things properly. She always knows best. Okay, there's no understanding why this is happening. It's impossible to understand. It's impossible to fathom. Well, yeah, there is no fathoming the secrets of the inscrutable Oriental. There's no knowing if it's going to rain tomorrow or not. So this means the weather forecast doesn't show it. What's my future going to be? I can't see anything in your hand. There's no knowing what's going to happen. There's no knowing what is in your future. There's no I guess you could say there's something like there's no writing on the wall. It's saying you mustn't do it, is the idea. But there's no way of getting this done before 6 o'clock. So there is no getting this done before 6 o'clock. I'm saying there is no way to get it done. There's no knowing what this madman will do next. There is no denying that people are in trouble. So it's definitely true. There is no denying that you are right. It's impossible to deny. It's definitely true. There is no denying that my channel is one of the biggest channels there is. Okay, so it's impossible to deny. It's definitely like that. There's no changing the course of events now. It's too late. So this is the idea of this phrase, this structure. There is no plus an ing. You're saying that it's not possible. Now, formality and formality. I'm not sure I would write this. I think this is something that I would probably normally say. I would say to somebody. I'm going to give it a a for informality. I think generally use it in an informal conversation, in a semi-formal conversation. In a semi-formal writing, probably not. There's no, well, there's no denying that this is true. Yes, you could probably use a phrase like that in something semi-formal as well. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. There's no ing.